Today we're tackling a common question. Can you take a screenshot or screen recording in a Telegram secret chat? By the end of this video, you'll fully understand what happens when you try, why Telegram's privacy protections matter, and what your options truly are. So let's jump straight into it. First off, it's crucial to know that Telegram's secret chats are built from the ground up for privacy. These aren't your typical direct messages. Secret chats use end-to-end encryption, self-destruct timers, and most importantly for our topic, restrictions to protect your messages from being easily saved or shared. Think of secret chat as the digital equivalent of passing a confidential note that self-destructs once read. It's meant to leave no trace. Now let's talk about software restrictions and notifications. When you try taking a screenshot or screen recording in a secret chat, Telegram puts up some serious roadblocks. If you're on an iPhone and you take a screenshot during a secret chat, the app immediately sends a notification to the other person in that chat. You might see something like, "Alex took a screenshot." There's no hiding it. This is Telegram's way of keeping things transparent. If anyone tries to save a memory of your conversation, you'll know about it instantly. So if you were hoping for a discrete snapshot, this isn't happening on iOS. But what if you're using Android or Telegram desktop? The protections here are even stronger. When you attempt to capture a screenshot, the app usually blocks it outright. Typically, you'll get a message like, "Cannot take screenshot due to security policy," or "Taking screenshots is not allowed in this app." And even if you somehow bypass that first message, you'll likely end up with a black or blank image. In other words, the content from secret chat just won't show up. Telegram's code actively prevents your device from copying what's visible in the chat window, so there's really no easy workaround. Screen recordings face the same fate. If you try to record your screen while inside a secret chat, the recording is almost certainly going to be completely black. This built-in deterrent makes sure that even screen capture apps, which sometimes dodge screenshot restrictions in other situations, can't get past Telegram's privacy shield. All these limitations might seem a bit strict, but remember, the goal here is protection. Telegram wants you to feel that your private messages won't end up saved on someone's device, shared without your consent, or posted elsewhere. It's a bit like having a conversation in a soundproof room. What's said stays between you. Sure, someone could always use a physical camera to take a photo of their device screen, but from a software perspective, Telegram has put up as many walls as possible. So in summary, there's no reliable or anonymous way to take screenshots or record your screen in a Telegram secret chat using your phone or computer's built-in tools. The whole point of secret chat is to guarantee your privacy and minimize the risk of your messages being captured or shared. If confidentiality matters to you, this is the feature to use. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Got questions about Telegram, secret chats, or other privacy features? Drop them in the comments below. I always love hearing from you. And if you want to get more straightforward tutorials just like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.